Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to control the brightness of an LED using a potentiometer and an Arduino. So let's start it. So in this video, we will use potentiometer to control the LED brightness. You might be wondering what exactly is a potentiometer. So potentiometer is a type of variable resistor. It has three terminals. Two are connected to a fixed resistance, and the third terminal, called the wiper, moves along the resistive material. By turning the knob, you change the position of a wiper, which adjusts the resistance and hence the voltage output. This variable voltage can be used to control the various devices such as LED. So let's go over the components we needed for this project. First, we need a breadboard for a temporary circuit designing. Then we use Arduino, one USB cable that connect the Arduino with the PC, and potentiometer for controlling the LED. Then we use 220 ohm resistor for limiting the current into the LED. Then we use one LED. In last, we use some jumper wires for the connections. Now we start the project. First we place the LED into the breadboard, but remember the slacks of LED. Now we insert the 220 ohm resistor into the same row where the short leg of LED insert. Then we connect the free end of resistor with the ground pin by using black jumper wire. Then we connect the other side of LED with the pin number 9 using red jumper wire. As you all can see, now we insert the potentiometer into the breadboard. Now we connect the right side of pin with ground pin by using black jumper wire. And middle pin with anode in analog side by using white jumper wire. In last, we connect with voltage by using red jumper wire. Now we connect the Arduino with the PC by using USB cable. Now we open Arduino IDE and start writing the code. First we define the pin numbers for the potentiometer and the LED. Then we create a setup function in which we set the LED pin as an output pin. In last, we create a loop function in which we read the potentiometer value, map it to the range suitable for the pulse width modulation, and set the LED brightness accordingly. Once you have written the code, upload it to your Arduino. And there you have it. You have successfully created a simple LED brightness control using a potentiometer and an Arduino. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more electronics projects. Leave a comment below if you have any question or a suggestion for the future videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.